Good morning, it's Joy, and today we're going to preview some fun sources to engage students in exploring the past through the lens of the present. This story map uses GIS technology to layer information. The base layer is the Morgan map of London, 1682, just before the Industrial Revolution, and on top, modern-day satellite imagery. Before students get to play with the map, I need to set the essential question to direct their learning and questioning. So I use the question, how has technology changed the way we live? And then in small groups or pairs, I would have them come up with a list of questions from each disciplinary lens. So what kind of questions might a historian ask in this genre? What kind of questions might an economist or a political scientist or a geographer ask about how technology has changed the way we live? Now, as I give them time to explore the map, they're looking for answers to their questions based on the historical, economic, political, and cultural sites contained in the map and the map layers, which again they can do because they're looking at the past through the literal lens of the present. But wait, there's more fun things we can add to make this more relevant. Here's a fun fact. Since the dawn of time, humans have used rivers as a dumping ground, which means they are a literal archive of human activity. Which brings us to the next fun source to add, the mudlark, someone who scavenges the river mud for items of value. FYI, mudlarkers have to have permits. And one of the things they have to agree to is to report any objects that they find which could be of archaeological interest.